Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. Today I'm going to do an analysis on Litecoin. So this is one of those few gems which has been around from a long time. So Charlie Lee is the creator of it, and it has been under a lot of fire lately because it is one of the few main coins that has not pumped yet. But I think that is about to change. So I'll be doing a technical analysis in this video, and it's not a financial advice. However, things are looking really good for Litecoin. So this is the daily chart of Litecoin, and it is being fetched from Bitstamp exchange. It has decent history. However, I'll be switching to Poloniex, which has even more history. So if you're doing a technical analysis, switch to the Poloniex chart. And here we are taking a look at the daily chart of the Litecoin versus Bitcoin. And this white line is the 200-day moving average. This normally acts as resistance, and bots do keep a eye on this very line, because normally whenever we are above this line, bots always kick in and there's a huge surge of volume. So this is a very important line on the daily chart. This is a 200-day simple moving average, and here the red and green are the Ichimoku cloud. This is a technical indicator which basically tells us where are the resistance, where's the major support. So this Ichimoku cloud has two moving averages, and both act as resistance and support. Right now, this blue line of the moving average used to act as support. You can see that here. Immediately got rejection whenever we tried to cross it. However, we are now above it, so now it is acting as support. The next resistance is at 0.0052. If we are able to close above it, this will act as support, and then we have higher chances of breaking out. And then this 200-day moving average will act as major resistance, which right now is at 0.006. So we need to close above, we need to stay above this blue line, which is at 0.046, and it looks like we are going to stay above it, and the MACD is looking very bullish right now. So if you blamed Litecoin for its poor performance, it is a good time to double down on it. You can average in, and you can have better chances of having some profit in the future. So we can see that there's a double bottom here. It's more evident on the 4-hour chart. We see a double bottom. So double bottoms are normally very bullish. They give signals of trend reversal. And on the 4-hour chart, you can see that we are able to move out of this red cloud. This is the red Ichimoku cloud. Normally acts as resistance. It has always acted as resistance in the past, and you can see that. And we were able to close above it on the 4-hour chart, and it's looking very good for the Litecoin. Now that this green chart here, which you see forming, this is not going to act as support. We are above it, it's going to act as support. And here you can see the 200-day moving average. If you are able to close above it and stay above it, it will be very bullish for Litecoin. We did try to stay above the 200-day moving average in the past. We failed. However, in the past, once we were actually above it, you can see that here, it started acting as support. So we must see if the Litecoin is able to stay above it. Okay, let's move to the weekly chart. So if you are a long-term trader, you got a day job, or you can't afford to look at the charts all day, you must look at the long-term view of it, because that's how I trade. I don't like to be glued to the computer monitor all day. So here on the MACD, you can see that the suppliers are getting exhausted, and we might see a reversal here. So we have been going down from the past many weeks, from past 5 weeks, and we broke the major support area as well. Not good. However, I see a bit of trend reversal here, and we might be able to move up now. Now the next major resistance, now weekly resistance are very important, because they are the major resistances. So this blue line is now 0.00544. So we may see a move from here to 0054 and that will give you a profit of about 12%. The next major resistance is at the 20-day moving average. So on the daily chart we use 200-day moving average, but on the weekly chart we use 20 moving average. So that is right now is at the approximately 0.0013. So and that will give you 28.74% profit from where the price is right now. So Litecoin is showing some good signs of reversal. You have to keep an eye on it. On the MACD, it's still a little bit bearish, and if you want to be cautious, you would want to see across to the upside, or yeah, you have to see across to the upside. But you can start doubling down because we are at a major support right now, major support area of the Litecoin right now, and it would be a good time to get in. There's some major resistance after that at the 0.0072, and I don't think we will be able to cross it. However, we may touch it and then go down, or if we are able to close above this resistance, there would be basically no resistance from here. From here to here, from 0.0072 to 0.12. There's basically no resistance here, as you've seen in the past. Once we were able to close inside the cloud, there was basically no resistance, so we move very quickly then. So you have to be believer in Litecoin to be holding Litecoin for that long. And on the monthly chart, not many people look at the monthly chart, but on the monthly chart we are still on the downtrend. We are yet to see any major reversal, but hey, the month has not ended, so it can be a good month to start collecting some Litecoin, because I'm pretty sure the next month will be really good for Litecoin, because you see this blue line is now coming down, and we might be able to just close above it, and this will then start acting as support. You've seen that in the past. Once we were able to close above the blue line, this blue line started acting as support, and then we moved up. So because nobody's covering Litecoin right now, it would be a great time to get into Litecoin, be a contrarian. I'm not saying buy the top, but at least when you can see it there in the chart that we are near bottom, it is a good idea to swap some of your Bitcoins for Litecoin. By the way, if you are one of those few people who trade Ethereum for Litecoin, I know I do, things are looking great, even better on the Litecoin Ethereum chart here. Let me switch it to 200-day because we are on the daily chart. So this is a daily chart of Ethereum, Litecoin Ethereum, and we have been the MACD is super bullish. We had a nice reversal candle here, and we were able to close above this resistance. So next resistance is at 0.22, and then this basically no resistance for us. The Litecoin can shoot directly to 0.24, and then there's some resistance from here to here, from 0.24 to 0.26, and then voila, there's no resistance. 200 moving average will be around at 0.28505. By the time we reach, we are able, and then sky's the limit. I'm pretty sure we will be able to reach 0.33 something in this rally itself. So the next couple of months are looking great for Litecoin. Since nobody is investing in Litecoin, I'm pretty sure we're keeping a good eye on it, and it can give you good profits. It's a great project. It's a no tension project, I would say, because it has been around since 2012, and it is like a little brother of Bitcoin. It acts as a testnet. So many new features of the Bitcoin are first tested on the Litecoin. So it's a pretty safe project. I love their Lite wallet, by the way. It's available for Android and iOS. I use it every day. I love it. So yeah, keep an eye on Litecoin. It's looking great, and it's a good time to start getting into Litecoin if you have not done already. All right, I hope you found this price analysis useful. Give this video a like. That's all I want from you guys, and stay subscribed for more price analysis and cryptocurrency news. Bye bye.